In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Facebook Marketplace using 5 simple steps to get great deals and save big money. So if you're ready to shop smart and keep your wallet happy, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to search smartly. The key to finding exactly what you want is to use specific keywords. Instead of just searching for a Samsung phone, try something more detailed like Samsung Galaxy S21 128GB. This precision helps you find listings that match your needs without having to sift through irrelevant options. Don't forget to use filters by location, price, and item condition. This ensures you don't spend time scrolling through listings outside your area or price range. Another handy tip is to save your searches. By doing this, you'll receive notifications when new items that match your criteria appear, helping you snag the best deals quickly. Next, always remember to check the seller's profile. Look for sellers with clear photos and a consistent history of activity. Any reviews available are also a great way to gauge reliability. Be cautious with brand new accounts or sellers who avoid answering questions. It might be a red flag. If you're purchasing a higher value item, don't shy away from asking for additional photos or proof of authenticity. It's better to be safe and sure before proceeding with any transaction. Now let's go over how to inspect the item carefully, which is an essential step before committing to any purchase. Always request real close-up photos of the item before meeting the seller. If it's electronics you're after, check for wear and tear, test the charging functionality, and make sure it powers on. For furniture or appliances, inspect for any damages, stains, or missing parts. Seeing the items in detail helps ensure you're getting exactly what's advertised. When it comes to negotiating the price, there are a few strategies to keep in mind. Start a bit lower than the asking price, but always remain reasonable and respectful. For instance, if an item is listed at $200, you might say, "Would you consider $100 if I'm able to pick it up today?" Also, look out for listings marked as OBO or best offer. These sellers are typically open to negotiation, giving you room to bargain. If you're buying multiple items from the same seller, consider bundling them for a better deal. Finally, when it's time to meet and complete the purchase, prioritize safety and smart payment methods. Arrange to meet in a public place like a cafe, mall, or even a police station if available. For high-value items, it's wise to bring a friend along. Always count cash in person and avoid sending money ahead of time. If delivery is necessary, use Facebook's buyer protection options whenever possible to provide peace of mind. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering Facebook Marketplace like a pro, always scoring the best deals and saving money along the way. Happy shopping!